Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, I want to share with you the fact that you need money to make money. You need good money to make good money. On this channel, I talk to you about different businesses that you can start. And people have come, and most people that are looking for businesses to start, they will come and say you don't have money. Take for example, you want to go into cashew exports. You want to go into buying and selling of any kind of goods or service. You want to go into farming. If you don't have money or if your capital is small, the return you're going to get will also be small. So, in actual fact, what I'm saying is that if you're going to really make money from any business that you want to do or that I talk about on this channel, you also need good money or some appreciable amount of money for you to go into that business. Sometimes the money may not be your own like that. It may be something you get from loan. And on this channel, I've spoken about different ways by which you can get money to do or to fund your business. One of such ways is your personal savings. You are the one that have the dream of that business. So if you truly believe in that business, then you should have some personal savings that you can put into that business so that that business can kick off. I've heard about people that started business establishment companies, and at the starting of the company, they have to sell their car, they have to sell their land, they have to sell their house. If you so much believe in that business and you believe it is going to work, the first place to look for funds is within yourself, is your personal savings, is what you have, because you are the one that have the dream. You are the owner of the dream, and you can see that this thing will succeed, the business will succeed. So the first thing you need to do is to look at your personal savings. It is after you have exhausted your personal savings, everything you can do, you have tried to do it. And then that is when you can now go and look for your families and relations to come and help you. And in most cases, especially in Africa, that your family and relation, they will not help you to do a business. They will not help you to send your child to school. They will not come together to do investment. But when there's a burial, when somebody is sick and almost at the point of death, when somebody is sick, minor sickness, they will not come around. But when the person is at the point of death, it's a critical illness. That is when they will not come and give and donate. Or if somebody dies and then they need to do the burial, they will give for the burial, they will donate for the burial, and they will give. So don't expect much from families. Now, another source of funding that you can get is to go to the banks. You reach out to the banks, show them your proposal. But in actual sense, also, you have your business from the bankable. Now you're talking about the business you want to do. What business have you done before? The bank will try to ask you. Then what do you have? The bank will try to ask you. Now you go to the bank, you say you have zero naira. In fact, you borrow money to get to the bank, and you want them to give you money to run your business. The bank will look at you that if you actually have how to make money, then you should at least be at a particular level of that money making before the bank can come and join you. In fact, my bank have called me before to come and take a loan because they saw the deposit I was making, the withdrawal I was making. I was doing some kind of business by the side at that time, and then money was coming in, money was going out, money was coming in, money was going out. So I think they checked. They wanted to give out loans, so they checked different customers, and they saw my account, and they messaged me, and I went to the bank, and then we discussed, and then who am I? I collected the loan. I took the loan because I need money to make more money. Understood this early. Recently, I had to repent on bank apps after I've taken loan from the two cooperatives I belong to. I took salary advance loan. I have to depend on apps because I believe in the vision that I have. And then I depended on and then I was able to solve some problems I needed to solve, and I moved on and I pressed on. You see, if you're a businessman or whoever you are, if you don't have capital, if you don't have money, if you don't have funds, you are joking, you are playing, you are on a replay. So you have to have your funds, and these funds are going to help you to scale. Now you need to just do some minor things on the spot, and then you are telling stories that there's no money. You are telling stories that until what? That something must move. Your partners want to see things move. The people that you want to come and invest with you, they want to see things move. Now, another way you can get capital for your business is to invite what I refer to as angel investors. These people will just give you seed money. They will not ask any money back from you. They're just interested in making sure that your business succeed. So, but those people will not know you except to share your business plan and business deals with them. And you can look at your circle, people you meet in the place of work, in the place of business, in your church, in your mosque, or anywhere, any social place that you go to. So you share your business goal with them and then see how they can help you. Those people will say, no, we don't want to invest, but we can just support you with this. You are looking for 1 million. Let's help you with 200,000. Let's help you with 100,000. So if you can get 10 people in your circle, can give you 100,000, that 1 million you are looking for has completed. Now, apart from this set of people, then another system that I believe strongly in, but you have to put away shyness and you have to be willing to share your business plan. Don't look at it that if I share it with them, they will steal it. But where did you get the business plan from? You got it from you were born into this world, it was in this world, and you got it. So you think that though some of them don't have that business plan, some of them have idea of that business, but they are just afraid, they don't know how to go about it. So you call people 10, 15, 20 in your circle, call them to a meeting, people that you know can support that business, can invest. Call them to a meeting and tell them this is the business I want to do. This is how much I have, and this is how much I'm making now. If I put in this amount, this is how much I'm going to get. If I put in this amount, this is how much I'm going to get. If this amount is available, this is how much you can scale up to. So if you put so amount, then at the end of the month, you are going to get, at the end of 6 months, I'm going to give you such and such amount as return. And then everything is made plain on paper. Then you also tell them there's going to be a legal agreement, the payments, everything will go into legal agreement, and they're not paying to you, they're paying to your company. Then you should also register your business. Register your business. Don't just let it be just you, not registered business. Register the business with CAC so that it can give the business a legal backing. So these are some of the things that you need to do, and you are going to get capital. So you sell that business idea to them, and then out of that 10 or 15 or 20 you invite, I can bet you that only 3 or 4 are going to, like 6 or 7 or 8, we show interest. The rest will be asking you rubbish question. 6 or 7 will show interest. Then maybe 1 or 2 or 3 are really going to be committed to it. And then if you are lucky, you can get 5 out of 20. So those 5, you've gotten that. Then you can make do with that capital again. That's another one. So that's free money without interest. Because at the end of the day, it is what comes out of you agree. You are co-owners. They now come and share the burden of the business with you, and then you can scale up like that. So what I've been driving at is that if you are going to make money from any business that I talk about on this channel or elsewhere, you need money. And if it is good money you want to make, you need good money. Many people have said, don't go to business loan. Don't take loan to do business. Why won't you take loan to do business? You're talking about business. In the real sense of it, you are supposed to take a loan to do business. You're not supposed to do business with your money. You're not supposed to do business with your money. Even the richest people around, go and check them. They are debtors. They owe. They borrow from banks. They have investors. Look at all these companies we're talking about. UBA in Nigeria, First Bank in Nigeria. They have shareholders. What do you mean by shareholders? Those people put their money into the business. A lot of people, millions and millions of shareholders, putting in different amounts, and then the amount make up to become something which they use to run the business that they are doing. So, which they use to increase their capital base. Now they are saying that banks in Nigeria are likely to increase their capital base. If they say, okay, increase your capital base, some banks will say, okay, let's go to the market. Let's go to the stock market, to the stock exchange market, and get people to come and invest. Get current investors to invest more so that they can get more. And then this is what they will do. And then before you know it, they will do that, and then the money flows in. So if these big players are borrowing to do their business, why are you not going to borrow? There's what is referred to as other people's money. Other people's money. There's what is also called other people's time. Other people's money is OPM. Other people's money, other people's time is OPT. Other people's time. And these are fundamental business guiding principles that big businesses know and use. Sometimes these other people's time. That's why you employ workers. Currently, I give out my clothes to dry cleaners to dry clean. What I'm wearing now was dry cleaned. This white was dry cleaned. This one I've been dry cleaned for some time. I've been wearing it over and over. So, you don't just wear a suit once. So you give out to dry cleaners. The trouser I'm wearing too is dry cleaned, and I gave it out to a laundryman, and he did the work, beautiful work on it. and I have what is referred to as subscription. Instead of just giving him and paying him per one, there's what is referred to as subscription. In that subscription, for every 100 pieces of cloth I give him, there's an agreed amount. So, and that agreed amount is discounted amount if I'm going to give him one. So it's a win-win. He's sure that I'm bringing 100. I am sure I'm getting a discount. So it's a win-win on both sides. So all these things are other people's time. So instead of using my time to go and sit down, wash the clothes, buy the soap, get the water, I contracted it out. So I used his own time, but I paid him. And he is into business. So other people that you are doing business for too, they are also using that same principle. So you should learn to do this, and then your business is going to scale. So what I've been talking about again is that you need good money if you're going to make good money from any business. On the iceberg business, which is one of the key businesses I talk about on this channel, you need good money to start iceberg business. You don't need any just cheap money to start iceberg business. You need good money, not just 1 million, not 2 million, not 3 million. You need, like, let's say 5 million if you are really, really serious, because NEPA light cannot be dependent upon, the government light cannot be fully dependent upon. And then even dependent upon, anything can happen at any time. So you go solar. And solar, you use sunlight, and then you are in full control of that. And then you are in full control. You enter into legal agreement with the person that made a low solar inverter for you, and say, if if this thing must serve for so time. And if you're looking for somebody that can help you with this solar installation in Nigeria, you can contact me, and I'm going to share his details with you. Then, if you want also ice block machine, to make ice block machine, I have series of videos about them. You can contact me, and I'm going to link you up with them. Just ask in the comment section of this video. Anything you want to ask me, ask in the comment section of this video. Please don't come to my DM. Many people come to my DM asking questions. If you come to my DM asking questions that you can ask here, why are you coming to my DM? When you ask here, number one, other people get to benefit from your question. Number two, and from the answer I give. Then number two, the algorithm sees that you're engaging with my videos. You see, I'm not collecting any money from you. I'm not collecting anything from you for making this content. So you are enjoying the content for free. This is something that if I go to a company and or an establishment or a program, they are going to pay me heavily for. They're going to pay me 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, even a million. Even if they're inviting me outside of my country or outside of my state, you have to pay for the flight and pay for the room I'm going to stay and feed me and still give me honorarium. But here I am making this video free of charge for you. Like where I am now, I came to make a presentation here. And it's just morning, I'm about to go out now. That's why I'm making this video. So if I'm going to make this same presentation to them now, and then they're going to pay, they're paying for my travel, they're paying for my lodging and other things. So these are some of the things you need to consider. So right now, go look at the like button that does hand like this and click on it. If you have not subscribed right now, subscribe on the channel. The subscription button and the notification bell is just below, so that when I make new videos, you can see it. And I've said it, in this 2026, I'm going to be making one video per week. I'm going to be making one video per week. The reason is because I've made up more than 1,000 videos, and many businesses are already covered in those videos. So I'm not under pressure to be making so many videos, except there's a special request, there's a special demand. So if I make one video per week, that means I'm going to make 52 videos in this year, 2026, or thereabout. The first video I made was on the 4th of January, and it was in that video that I made it known that I will make one video per week. So please, I want you to keep coming back to this channel. Like this video, share link of this video, drop a comment and question in the comment section below. Now, if you want to invest in my Forex investment program, I help you to trade your Forex account, and then the profit you make, we share it equally, 50-50. You know, I'm the one trading, you are the one bringing the capital. I'll make sure that I don't blow your account. The system I use, I will not blow your account. I've been on that system for the past 1 year, and the system has not failed. It didn't come easy, but after many years of trading and losing and winning and losing and winning, since over a year, I've been on the winning streak. So I have what is referred to as good money management, good Forex management programs that I have. Then I also do not overtrade. I do not over leverage, and I don't trade every time. So these are some of the rules that I use. Then I trade the reversal. After a major buy, I wait and I sell. After a major sell, I wait and I buy. Because when there's a major buy, the market will not keep buying. When there's a major sell, the market will not keep selling. So instead of waiting for the news and watching the news and entering, I don't do that. I let the news do its own thing. If after the news are finished doing its own thing, that I come into the market and I place my trade and I take my profit. So all the businesses I've spoken about on this channel, you need good money to do them. If you are just looking for business that you don't need money to do, that is not a business. Anything on this channel that you don't need money to do is not a business. It's not a business, it's a job, it's a work. And job means just over broke. So look for capital and look for business, and then you are going to be enriched. I'll talk to you in the next one, and I want to thank everyone. I want to thank Lara Lawi. She has been a strong supporter on this channel for some time. I really appreciate you. So if you want to join my membership, you see the link you see the join, something like that, in just below this video. Click on it, and then you are going to buy me a coffee. You see the options that are available there. So I will talk to you in the next one. I want to wish you a very fruitful day, a happy day. Or concerning the forex investments, where I trade your account for you, the procedure is that you open the forex trading account, you fund the account. So you send the username and password to me. I trade the account. I make the profit. I cannot withdraw. Nobody can withdraw any money that is paid into somebody else's account in the way the forex trading is, so that people will not be stealing people's money. So you are the only one that can withdraw. That's why I said, don't send money to me. People have contacted me. No, don't send money to me. Open the account. And if you don't know how to open the account, I can guide you. Open the forex trading account, fund it. Send the link off for the MetaTrader trading platform to me. I go there, I trade. Then you withdraw the profit. Send 50% of the profit to me. You take 50% of the profit. And then I continue trading the capital every month. We share the profit every month. We trade the capital and we keep trading the capital. The capital is intact. Somebody have asked me that, what about losses? I told him no. I trade in such a way that you will not make a loss. I will try my best, and I've been doing that for some time now. I don't overtrade, I don't over leverage. Those things I'm able to lose the account are those things. So, and I'm very, very careful, and I'm very, very watchful. So this is 2026 and beyond. Take things seriously, and things will be serious with you. You need good money, any business you want to do. And borrowing is an option. It is non-negotiable. But if you are going to borrow, your return on investment must be able to pay the loan you collected and be able to still give you profit. So try to understand. So analyze the business. If I take this loan at 20% per annum, 30% per annum, 40% per annum, how much do I want to make? I make 100%. It's a good deal. And after you turn the 40% interest, you still have 60%. And then why are you not going for the loan? You should go for the loan. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.